we managed to land right on the right place at the right time. Ohio got its concealed carry permit, and then a lot of other surrounding states were getting their permits. And so you had basically the government created new customer base, right? Like they just out of nowhere, people were like, I should buy a holster to carry my gun concealed. Yep. And so it just started ramping dramatically. And you could almost tell what the legislative process was by 1 week. We'd start getting orders from a new state that you'd not really ever seen orders from. And you could just tell they had gotten their permits turned on.
Right.
But, we were working out of a basement on the west side of Cleveland. It was fabricated, so the material is Kydex, which is a thermoforming material. That the joke I make is we basically took what's arguably just industrial wall covering, because it just shows up in 4x8 sheets and it's impervious just about every chemical on earth. But you heat that up and it turns into a floppy material, and you either compression form it or vacuum form it over a mold, or in our case, in the early days, we were just molding it right over the live firearms. But that was all done with toaster ovens and mold presses and clamps and stuff that we picked up at Lowe's and Home Depot. And, that was, again, we didn't plan to be a manufacturer. We were just guys that were selling stuff that was our hobby.